If you look at any Honda Ridgeline review on YouTube, you are sure to find a mixture of comments. Owners typically have little to nothing bad to say about their truck, while owners commonly sing the praises of their Ridgeline. Others have nothing positive to say about Honda's only truck option. Some go as far as to turn on their caps lock and say the Ridgeline is not a real truck. Here at FindTheBestCarPrice.com, we must admit to the fact that we are fans of the Ridgeline, but that does not mean there is no room for improvement. If Honda made the following changes and additions, sales are sure to increase. Number 1, add a hybrid powertrain. We often ask you what changes you would like to see on the vehicles we review. When it comes to the Ridgeline, the most common request is the addition of a hybrid powertrain option. While the hybrid option has not been available to this point, for 2023 that is going to change, and while this should make many buyers happy, there's still more changes that need to be made. Number 2, lower the starting price. The starting price for the 2022 model is $38,100 and is the highest starting price in the mid-size truck segment. That is $12,000 higher than the lowest starting price of any competitor. If you're curious, that honor goes to the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado with a starting price of $26,395. Number 3, max towing rate is only 5,000 pounds. While the Ridgeline offers many great standard features such as standard all-wheel drive, one area where the Ridgeline is at the back of the pack is towing. This puts the Ridgeline over 2,500 pounds behind the class leader, which is the Jeep Gladiator with a max tow rating of 7,650 pounds. Number 4, the Ridgeline lacks features that most trucks are not seen without, such as underbody clearance, low-range gearing, and wheel articulation to aid in off-roading. By no means is this a bash on the Ridgeline. It is a great truck for the segment in which it fits, but there is room for improvement that, if acted upon, would surely boost sales and silence critics. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.